It is time for another vlog. Hey everybody. That was weird. Hey everybody. I'm already like, I cannot.
Yes,
yes I can. Today's video, it is a vlog, and with my vlogs, it's all over the place, what's new. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it down. There's gonna be some food. I take it to TJ Maxx. I'm going to IKEA, and I do have like a mini haul, things that I have been, you know, like my recent buys that I am gonna show you at the end. So let's start this vlog, and let's start with food because food is always my favorite. So let's start with that. No, let's scratch that. Let's start with what I found at TJ Maxx because they do have some new hair stuff. And let's start with that. So let's go to TJ Maxx. It's drizzling. Can you see? I have to be like this. Oh wow. I have to be like this to protect my hair. Anthony, you're not that tall.
Yes, I am.
So first thing I'm seeing is Camille Rose. I've never seen them before at TJ Maxx, so this is pretty cool. Let me know if you tried anything from them. Now, Sephora. Never seen this from Sephora, so of course the curl cream caught my attention, and I don't know, it looks pretty good. Let me know if you tried their conditioner or any products from them. Honey Baby Naturals is something that I only seen at Select CVS, and I tried their light hold gel, so check out that review, but this is what their product is all about. And of course, me being extra in front of the camera like always. Baby, get out the way.
I don't know.
Baby, you're still in the way. Ah! Can you tell I'm smiling?
My hair's crazy.
Mine's too.
Nah,
I love it. Now let's talk about food. So we wanted to try this new dessert place, but the line was outside and it was too hot for that. So we were like, let's get donuts instead. I got the coquito donut, and here I'm trying to give you the angles, but this is how it looks, and it was really good. Cool.
We're stuck. Not cool.
Oh.
No, it's cool, I guess. I don't know.
So we're getting a chopped cheese. I never had a chopped cheese before, so let me know if this looks like the real thing. The owners just moved from New York, and it was actually really good. So this is how it looks. I liked it. So we have the marinated chicken in the Korean barbecue sauce, oregano because that's my favorite, seasoning, garlic, and some onion and pepper. You know, a little touch. So Anthony's coming in with some fancy shots of the chicken that we marinated. And let me tell you, lately I've been adding cilantro and basil to my salads, and it makes it so much better. Now we're making ginger shots. If you saw my last video about Trader Joe's, I mentioned that I was going to make it, and here we are. Enjoy the shots, of course, by Anthony, and just relax. Cheers.
Cheers.
To be honest, it is not a vlog if I'm not getting coffee. I tried a new spot called Southern Ground, and mine looks very sweet. It wasn't too sweet, but it was good. It is a very hot day right now in Florida. It is 98 degrees. It was just 100. It went down to 98, but I just came back from Ulta, you know, buying some curly hair products, and I had a mom come up to me, ask me what do I use in my hair because her daughter has curly hair too, and she wants her hair to look like mine, which was so cute. But I have the Curlsmith Hydro Jelly gel in my hair if you guys are curious. Really hot day, but like it's still holding up, which I do like. So just a close-up of the curls. This side I feel like I can fluff up more, but not bad. Shopping at my favorite store ever. This is Uniqlo. I like my clothes basic. Give me a simple shirt and I'm good. And that shirt right there, the blue one, I do have it. Is it more of a teal color? Yeah, teal, I guess. Oh, those are the pants you're trying?
Yeah.
I don't like crop clothes. Like if my pants was like higher and this was like shorter, maybe, but cropped, no. And here is what I bought. I bought some biker shorts in burgundy and that shirt. Good shopping day. You know how I said this vlog is gonna be all over the place? It's gonna be all over the place for real because I'm going to IKEA now. I'm gonna end this video, but I am gonna go to IKEA and I might catch an L. Anthony, what do I mean by that?
You ain't gonna find it.
Exactly.
You ain't gonna find
so there's a specific product that I'm looking for in IKEA that is going kind of viral on TikTok. It's a stackable makeup organizer. You can put anything. It's just a stackable organizer. If I find it, of course, I'm gonna pop in those clips. Maybe right here of me finding it. So now it's time to go to IKEA to catch some L's.
Found the display.
Yeah,
Dang,
so
it tells you.
what?
No, it tells you display sample.
Man, I want to take this one. This is what I want. We catching L's today, my friend. Oh my god, it was not here. They only have the display, they don't sell it, and it was like glued together, so it's like we shouldn't be taking that one. Yeah, it's not here. Sold out. Estoy sad.
IKEA L.
I gotta go. I'm wearing my we are getting things done outfit. It's raining outside. I got my raincoat. I'm going to IKEA again. Apparently it's in storage now. It's in stock. So let's go over there. Let me put this on and then let's go. Yes, sir. It's here. How do we look? Hey, it's me. We got it.
Nice.
We did it.
We did it.
Let's go. I'm also picking up this toothbrush holder. Flip it upside down. Okay, no, this one.
Oh, because that's the bottom.
Yeah. Being eco-friendly. Beautiful bamboo. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
All this time.
You see, now we're just buying unnecessary stuff. Anthony's coming in with some hangers. I'm coming in with hangers. What's the price?
I'm gonna buy the wood things. I don't need black fingers. $149.
And now I'm getting a new lamp. I like.
You're right.
And it's not in stock.
You have a black one, but it's the same one. We'll get two of the black ones.
Of course, weird angle.
Sorry.
Of course, I hope you can hear me.
It's out of stock.
Yeah, the lamp is out of stock.
Hey, this is in stock.
I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna get this lamp instead. Very petite,
Petite. It's petite.
but mighty. And it's in stock. I double checked.
All right.
Mini haul time. I'm buying all this stuff. That's the haul.
Just the haul.
I'm trying to do a thumbnail, but yeah.
Lighting's kind of crazy.
Huh?
Lighting is kind of crazy.
But if I don't find it, then that is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of my recent buys, so this should be fun. So let me share some of my recent buys, and let's start with one thing that I'm gonna always forever repurchase, that is eyebrow pencils. So this right here is a L'Oreal Brow Styler Definer. I buy it off of Amazon and I get 4 at a time. I currently have one in my bathroom that I use today. But this is in the color Dark Brunette, and I like it. It lasts a long time. It's easy to glide on the eyebrows, very buildable, and yeah, it just lasts a long time on my eyebrows, and I really do like it. It is affordable. You can find it at Target, Walmart, Ulta, and I just get it online through Amazon because it's a little bit cheaper, but always repurchase. I did go to Sephora and I bought this little, a little sample. This is by Briogeo, and this is the Scalp Revival Soothe and Detoxify, the little hair care minis, and I am using it at the moment. I don't think it's bad. I do like the conditioner so far. The shampoo has like a gritty texture to it. Nothing too strong. It doesn't really exfoliate the scalp, but it does have a little bit of texture. But I'm liking the conditioner. It's in the bathroom, but I wanted to show you, like, when they say mini, this is mini. This right here is a charcoal and tea tree scalp treatment. I've used it once and like probably have maybe 2-3 more uses out of it, but I like this. I like this and I like the conditioner. They do have a powder here as well. This powder is so little. What does it say? It's a dry shampoo. I don't really use dry shampoo, but I might test it out. But I don't know. I'm glad that I got the mini size. It is pricey, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Also bought the beauty blender, the little cleaner. Now I have tried like other dupes for it, but I feel like this works the best for me. Like it really gets off the makeup from my beauty sponge and also my makeup brushes, so I do like it. And let's talk about some perfumes. I had a, what did I have? I think I had like a $15 gift card to Victoria's Secret. So I went there and I wanted to get some perfumes. Now they have these mini roller sets on sale for $12. And I like that it's convenient, just pop it in your purse. And I bought 2 of them. This right here is Tease. Can you see it? This smells really good. This smells good. I don't know how to describe it. Maybe like a little bit of vanilla. I don't know, maybe like a, not fruity, not florally, but like, I don't know. This one I'm really, really liking. This is the Bombshell Intense. This smells like, this is like more on the sweeter side, but it still has like a little bit of intensity to it. I don't know, but I like these little mini sets, these little mini rollers, $12. And another makeup thing that I did buy was from Desi Skin. This right here is a Do Me Over Prep Set and Refresh Face Mist. And I like it. This doesn't have a strong scent, and I have been using it more as like a primer to my skin when I do apply makeup, or like on days where my face feels dry, I'll just apply it all over and I'll just put sunblock and I'm good to go. I do like the infinite mist that this does have. I'm not gonna spray it because this was expensive and I'm like halfway through, but I do like it, and I am gonna try to save the bottle, of course, and try to put maybe like rose water in it because I feel like that would be really good for the skin. Oh, you know what? Also from TJ Maxx, I did buy a mirror, as you guys saw. If you didn't, I'll pop it up right here, but I did buy this gold mirror because of TikTok. Oh, and let me talk about what's in my hair right now. Very, very fluffy. This is day 4 hair. I do have the pattern push-it gel by itself, no touch up. So clearly I feel like I can apply some I can apply like a little bit of a leave-in conditioner towards the back of my hair. But that's fine because I don't see it. That is not my problem. The front of my hair looks good. I usually like day 2 results better, but for day 4, I am not mad about it. So let's end the vlog right here. If you are watching the video to this point, leave me like a money sign, because I feel like with this vlog, I have been buying some stuff. So leave me like a money emoji. I'll show you guys what it looks like up top. And I hope you guys like this type of vlogs. Let me know if I should change anything different with the setup. I do like kind of narrating what I do because I kind of jumble the food together. I jumble like shopping together. I jumble all the things together instead of just going day 1, day 2, day 3. I got like day 1, day 4, day 7 in the first clip, and then so on and so on. So hope you guys like that kind of editing ways. And my battery's dying. Wow. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.